The subject of this video is creating a channel. Go to Teams, maximize the screen, go to the team where you want to create the channel, click the ellipses, click Add a Channel. Now enter the name. Let's give that team a roadmap channel. Select the standard. Now notice this setting, check it, because if you don't, it won't display. But you can always change that afterwards, and I'll show you how. So select it. Great. Now click Create. Let's wait for the team to create. Sometimes it's good to have a coffee while you're doing this. It takes time on some occasions. So here's an example of a channel I created, and I forgot to click the checkbox. So let's go to Manage Channel, click Edit, and notice you have the checkbox. So there you go. Click Save. Now let's go to the team and look at our channels. So go Manage Team, Channels, and now you can see all the channels are visible. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.